What was the biggest challenge in portraying your character? Did you find anything about them particularly relatable or completely different from yourself?
Lali.
What can you say, candidate number one? Bagay say.
I think the biggest challenge in portraying my character was throwing out the jokes, because it's hard to say a joke and have a punchline for it that would make the viewers actually laugh.
Natawa kayo sa ano niya, pag-what joke? Gusto niyo marinig ulit?
There, who knows where that is in the Philippines? It's Jones Bridge in Manila. So, maganda.
Yes, newly improved.
Yeah, di ba?
Ano, naka-iOS 18 siya upgraded. Yes.
Latest software. Pero tell us about that. Parang that was a big part of the story and of the movie. Tell us what it was like filming there and the beauty of the new look Manila. What was it like for you guys?
I never even knew the area existed since we started shooting there.
Diba?
What do you call it?
Parang waterway, di ba? Something like that.
They call there's a specific
Esplanade.
Esplanade.
Yeah.
Jones Bridge Esplanade, yeah.
I think it was part of. It used to be
Escolta.
part pa ng Escolta.
Yeah.
Trivia.
But, parang siguro inayos nila para maganda sa Instagram. Maganda naman siya.
Pero nakakatawa, gumanda na talaga, di ba? So for those who haven't seen it in a long time, it's so nice to see it. It's so pretty. Okay!
Yes, ay mga bisag din. Daghan na dyan ta din sa US. Daghan na taan ni.
Salamat kaayo.
Mag-isawa ka. Marunong ka ba?
Guwapa. Guwapa. Guwapa kaayo.
Ayo, guwapo pa ka.
Translated to English is...
You're pretty and you're handsome.
Yeah. Okay, game. Sige, let's make bunot na questions. Let's see. Minsan, malalim yung mga tanong natin. Pinasa ka agad. Ladies first.
Ito naman. Ano po? Hala, oo nga. Ang kayo mo naman. Rush ka
Miss
na
Fix yung Holy Spirit eh.
Nagpapamills. Kaya walang tumulak sa akin.
Wala si Wilma.
Imagine your character got stuck in a time loop. What's one moment in the movie you would want to relive over and over? Hello? Baka gusto nyo kayo na lang sumagot. Ano po yung mga gusto nyo i-relive?
Which one? All of them.
Relive again and again. Ako, favorite scene ko talaga yung umuulan na slow-mo. Yung nagbigay ng payong si Jolo. Yung so curious. Ano nangyari sa akin sa totoong buhay? Pwede ba yun? Pag umulan? Mag-abang ka.
Bihira umulan dito sa LA.
Sayang.
We need the rain. Break the rain. Okay, game. Next question.
What was the biggest challenge in portraying your character? Did you find anything about them particularly relatable or completely different from yourself?
Lali.
What can you say, candidate number one? Bagay say.
I think the biggest challenge in portraying my character was throwing out the jokes, because it's hard to say a joke and have a punchline for it that would make the viewers actually laugh.
Natawa kayo sa ano niya, pag-what joke? Gusto niyo marinig ulit?
So yun pa yung pinakamahirap sa akin kasi hindi naman ako, well, yung humor ko kasi is very dry and very sarcastic, so very green. Very green. That's the only humor I have. Okay.
Okay na to.
But yeah, that was the hardest part for me. And yeah.
Okay. Kim.
Lumipat pa kayo dyan. Mama.
Alright, ito naman ang next question. What is one thing you always must bring to set no matter what? Cellphone.
Okay.
Yes.
Maliban naman sa cellphone.
Maliban sa
Ano ba?
cellphone. Sa set, gamit talaga. I think presence of mind. Bring to the set presence of mind.
Ano ba kayo favorite snacks?
Snacks, no, coffee. Mahilig kami sa coffee. Naglalabanan kami kasi sa makeup table ko, meron ako doon parang coffee machine. Tapos meron naman siya, manual.
Uy, wow.
Yung ginagrind niya pa doon.
On the set.
Oo.
Wow.
Tapos,
Coffee
pinipress
connoisseur.
niya pa.
Fresh
Ang dami
press.
nangyayari. Sa akin, ano lang, capsule, tuk, pindot, okay na.
Fake coffee.
Sabi niya kay ko.
Joke lang, nakikinig naman ako sa kape niya minsan.
Mahilig din ako mag-arte sa kape. May hand grinder pa ako.
Ayan,
Can't stay with
sabi.
it, sabi ko. Pero masarap. Coffee talaga. Kakaiba. Okay, pa. Umar.
The film's theme suggests rediscovery or second chances. How does the film explore these themes, and why do you think they resonate with the audiences? How come all the hard questions? I always get the hard
Ang
questions.
swerte ng bullet mo eh.
The film's theme suggests rediscovery or second chances. How does it come?
Contestant number 3
Thank you
from
for
Pasig
this question.
City.
I think for both our characters, like for Sally's character, it's sa character ko na lang since Jolo's character, parang Jolo has been through like so much. Actually, medyo madami rin natanggal sa pelikula na hindi na naisama, pero further explaining his backstory. But you know, coming from a breakup or about to get married na iniwan, and you know, life just throws you chances and chances and chances. It just depends. It just depends on you how you see it and how you grab it. In terms of Jolo's character, parang yun naman parang yung second chance niya is all about not just about finding love, but also accepting help. And I think that was parang one of parang second chances na nabigay sa kanya. Not just a second life, not just not just love, but also a chance to accept help from people around him.
Okay, we'll give you a chance to answer the same question.
Sobrang lalim naman ng parang palunod na ako. Ano ang tanong?
About second chances.
About second chances, I think from my character, Sari, second chances are parang very rare na binibigay yan eh. So once nandiyan yan, you learned already your lesson dun sa nangyari. So once you're given a second chance, mas iigihan mo na, mas pagbubutihan mo na, and wag na natin hintayin na magka-third chance pa para mag-succeed tayo in life.
Yeah.
Let's always do our best and God will do the rest. And I thank you.
Right. At dahil dyan, huwag natin natagalan pa ang ating picture taking. But before that, we'll have a big group picture called the Groovy.
Groovy!
When Kim sit here, turn around, you will all smile. First 3 rows, you can stand up so you can see this group picture. Group picture talaga, group picture. And then after that, we'll do our photo taking, our meet and greet photo taking there in the middle, where the 2 red chairs are. We'll call you groups of 10. We'll do that second row first.
3.
One more. Don't worry, naka-white frame po yan. Compress yung first 3 rows. Compress. Alright. Okay.
Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you sa picture
We'll fix the logistics here. So our staff will help you guys out. We have an official photographer. He's right behind me, Kuya Stanley. He's the man. He's going to take the official photos. Our photos will be seen on Monday on mytfc.com. That's our website. Click events and then look for the event photos. It's down there. You'll see it there. Okay? And our staff will be calling that. I call it the second row. It's the second row above the handicap because we're going to put our banners there. So we'll clear that row first. So the whole row, you can now line up to the side. I think that is row E. Is it E, ma'am, or F? A, B, C, D, E, yeah. Row E, we now stand up and line up to the stairs to that side.
We're going.
And then
Hindi po.
after the handicap section, we're
Meron po lahat yan.
If you have gifts to give to the King Tao, you can hand them to the staff because they can hold everything. If it's food, it goes to me. Take and all that again. Food is me.
Pwede ako magpa-picture.
David. Alrighty, so we're putting those banners there in that second row. Now.
Kiraan lang po.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah. By the way, to the titas and the lolas out there, we're good with high fives, handshakes, pero huwag yung mga kiss na ilang hap. Matagal eh.
May koron.
Si Pao po medyo inuupo, so we wanna avoid giving you any viruses. Magkapalitan po tayo ng DNA. So wala pong mga ganong kiss, walang hugs. Yeah. So we can do high fives, we can do handshakes, we're good. And so our staff will facilitate putting together the first batch.
Well, I already have a gun thing. Yeah. I have a.
Down. Yeah. Alright, here we go. We're fixing it up. Our photographer po is here. Huwag muna tayo mag-selfie kasi maubos yung oras natin. If we all take selfies, we'll be here until 1 a.m. First 3 rows, sit down. Let's look here. Camera here. Tita, dito po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Beautiful. Pretty photo. Thank you. Next batch. Remember, your photos will be on mytfc.com. Click the events page, and then you'll find it there at the bottom. By Monday, naka-upload na po yan. Thank you so much. Next group. Okay, here we go. Filling up the first row and the second row.